Ethereum rejected a crucial resistance level. If that's how interesting you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing 900 Telegram members. If you guys are interested in keeping up with my chart updates as well as market updates, make sure to check out the link in the bio. We have been growing absolutely. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum yesterday, we were testing a very key support level here at 1657. I mentioned to you guys that it's going to be very important from the bullish case scenario to end up holding above this support level before we see any sort of continuation. And the reason for that, of course, is looking at previous price analysis. You can see we had a massive capitulation event. Then we had this very key consolidation zone. Our first step from the bullish case scenario was trying to break above these exponential moving averages, which you saw. We did end up seeing a very nice continuation, but we failed to hold that level as support. As of right now, we did see a breakdown formation followed by a retest on the previous support, now acting as resistance, which of course shouldn't become much of a surprise for those of you that are part of Telegram channel, because as you guys already know, tomorrow is a major Fed event and we are all expecting these news events to come out and decide whether or not we are looking for a larger time frame outlook for bullish or for bearish. Right now things are going to become extremely choppy, so I would highly suggest you guys wait on the sidelines until we see a proper move set tomorrow. But of course, if we do end up seeing a bearish confirmation for tomorrow's news, you guys already know when you have such a large dump opportunity followed by a consolidation, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a buying opportunity. It simply just means this is another consolidation before a new leg towards the downside. Now, of course, looking at the daily time frame, speaking about a new leg, if we do end up seeing a break of the 1518 support, which you guys already know is a major support level on the weekly time frame, not only does it play out this massive M formation absolutely perfectly, but losing that support level at 1518 would mean the fact that we are looking for a much stronger move towards the downside overall, possibly back into the $1,200, $1,300 Ethereum. Now, a lot of you guys have mentioned the fact that, hey, where exactly do you see Ethereum going long term? I've talked about this on Telegram many times, but right now what I'm looking forward on Ethereum is, to me, this doesn't necessarily look like a bullish move set. This simply just looked like a larger consolidation after we had such a massive dump from these regions of 3,000. Usually when you have such a fast dump, like I said, we have this consolidation zone before we see this new low. And what I have been paying attention to is this $723 zone. This is my bearish target overall from a long-term perspective. And the reason for that, as I've shown you guys many times, when Ethereum had its original massive bull run opportunity, this was the level that was acting as resistance. Not only that, but it did react as support before we saw that continuation. And that's exactly why I'm mentioning the fact that there's a ton of liquidity trapped within that range. Now, before you guys assume that it can never happen, Ethereum will never hit those new lows, keep in mind we said the same thing about Cardano on this channel. We said the same thing about HBAR on this channel, and those levels were hit. When you zoom out of the chart and look from a larger weekly standpoint or even daily standpoint, it gives you a better understanding of where things are likely to head. You can see that we have struggled to break above the $2,000 Ethereum, not once but twice at these zones. And usually when you have that much structure break and we still can't break above with volume, that usually says that people are not ready necessarily for a massive bull run, nor are market makers in the current conditions. And really right now, looking at the current conditions, guys, there's absolutely no reason for Ethereum to go see a new bull run right now. Of course, keeping fundamental aside, we are only looking for technical analysis. And right now, even just speaking of technicals, when you have these two large points of entries that fail to break above, it tells you, of course, the fact that bulls are extremely weak. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys are happy.